皆さんこんにちは。Hello everyone. Welcome to my Japanese numbers lesson series. In this lesson, I will introduce 3-digit and 4-digit numbers, how to read in Japanese. You will have time to practice in this lesson, so I hope you will enjoy. Now, let's get started from number 100. 100 100 100 How about the 200? 200 is 2 times 100. In Japanese, 2 times 100. So pronounced 200. 300 3 times 100, but it's called 300. This is the irregular reading 300. 400 4 times 100 400. 500 is 5 times 100 500 500. 600 6 times 100, but this is irregular reading 600 600. 700 7 times 100, so 700. 800 8 times 100, but this is irregular reading 800 800. 900 9 times 100 900. 'Let's read the numbers from 100 to 900 one more time. Most of the numbers are just put 100 after each single digit number, but pay attention, some of them are irregular. Now let's get started from 100. 100 200 300 400 500 600 700 800 900. Now 300, 600, and 800 are irregular reading, so just memorize and get used to them. Now let's move to 4-digit numbers, 1000 to 9000. 1000 1000 1000. 2000 2 times 1000 2000 2000. 3000 3 times 千、三千、三千。4,000 4 times 1000 4000 4000 5,000 5 times 1000 5000 5000 6,000 6 times 1000 6000 6000 7,000 7 times 1000 7000 7000 8,000 8 times 1000 8000 8000 9,000 9 times 1000 9000 9000 Now let's read the numbers from 1000 to 9000 one more time. Most of the numbers are just to put the 1000 after each single digit number. But pay attention, some of them are irregular. Now let's get started from 1000. 1000 2000 3000 4000 5000 6000 7000 8000 9000 Now 3,000 and 8,000 are irregular readings, so just memorize and get used to them. Now practice more numbers with 3 digits and 4 digits. Ready? 834 is 800 plus 30 plus 4. So in Japanese, 834. 4,523, 4,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 3. So in Japanese, 4,523. 156, 156, 156. 392, 392, 392. 478, 478, 478. 921, 921. 921. 1,789, 1789 1789 5467 5467 5467 8134 8134 8134